All right, good morning, Internet. Welcome to another adventure. Today, special day. Every day is a special day. But today, special. Especially special. Is that a thing? It is now. To my left, we have the one and only, the Goody Hole man himself, BakerXderek. Cheers. And to my right, Hammy Moto. He's on the Triumph today. Hopefully he doesn't crash into a semi or crash under one, however you see it. X is also riding Captain Man's BMW S1000RR, whatever on top of model that is after that. It's the expensive one, or the one right below the expensive one, the other expensive one. And as usual, I'm riding the GSX-R 750 Shitbox 2.0. I think I'm gonna come out of this intersection hard. We're gonna drift her a bit. Yeah, good to be back on the GSX-R. Man, we got sideways hard, man. MotoGP, here I come. I knew someone was gonna do it. Wasn't gonna be me. Damn, dude, there's just so many Teslas in this world. I just learned that the white Teslas are cheaper than the colored Teslas. Hey, Suburban Delinquent, my nuts. Hey, take it easy or I'll break your mirror, buddy. You don't have mirrors to break. And if you did, I wouldn't break them. You're on my bike. Vroom, vroom. I think this needs gas. Are you out of gas?
I got like a quarter of a tank.
Do you think that's going to be enough?
Tell me to go right.
Yeah. Let's run him out of gas, see what happens. Oh, look, it's the wife. You can't make this shit up. What a small world.
Sex juice time?
Sex juice time. All right, let's go see Babalo. I'm the sign flipping champion of the world. I watched a guy the other day. He had a world champion shirt on, right? And he dropped that fucker so many times. I think I was at that red light for 30 seconds and he dropped it at least 3 times. All right. Angelos. Yeah, we're going to Angelos. You guys aren't familiar with Angelos because you don't live in Orange County. In fact, there's 4. There's 4 Angelos locations. There's one in Moreno Valley, Garden Grove, Anaheim, and Lake Forest. The one we are going to today, Lake Forest. It's brand new, man. I don't think it's been open but a couple of months. All right, we're gonna hand Hammy the pass cam. See what kind of shots he can get us. Bob, hello. There he is. All right, Bob. Good to see you, homie. What we got?
Oh, is she living out there now?
Bob come through with money. And some change.
Ooh.
I'm always afraid I'm going to reach into these pockets.
Like a heroin needle stick up. Oh, nice. Yeah, Bob's gone south.
A lanyard. That lanyard's been here for a while. Under the cock. Nothing under Bob's cock.
Pretty hard looking cock.
It's pretty solid. It's solid wood. All right, Bobalo. It's good to see you. I have something for you.
He's not been around, you guys.
What's that?
He hasn't been around in a while.
Who?
The guy you're looking for.
Oh.
What's his name? I forgot his name.
Suburban Delinquent?
Yes.
Him?
No, I said, it is him?
Yeah.
Where the hell have you been?
All right, Bobalo. We got a key tag. We got a sticker.
Yep.
Where have you been?
I don't know. I got burned out. I was hiding.
Yeah, you were. Everybody asked about you. I go, oh, he's gone. He's dead in the water, man.
Put a sticker under his cock. Let's pay forward. Let's leave this. I'm going to take a nickel for keepsake purposes.
Monthly income.
Here you go, buddy.
Well, everybody's going to be shot.
What are you getting? Water? Yeah.
Something hydrating. Yep. Hell yeah.
You know what? I'm going to get a Gatorade. I'm going grape.
Take off your helmet, man.
No way.
Don't be a pussy.
Is there anything in the drawer for me?
No. That's been... No way. You haven't been here for, like, what, over 2 years? Yeah. No, there's nothing in there. At least you could have let all your fans know where you were going, man.
I didn't want to.
Popped out of nowhere. That wasn't cool.
I know.
Total being a douchebag.
What?
It's the truth. I said a total douchebag.
I know. I feel bad. I feel guilty.
Okay, good. You should.
Absolutely. You know, I'm recording. You're going in the video.
What?
It's going to be great.
No, don't
Like
do that.
this is going to be my favorite part of every video. You just gave me a lashing.
Well, great. You had to video me. Great.
No, I needed it. You gave me a good lashing. Thank you.
Sorry.
That's going to be the best part of this video. Her yelling at me.
He told me he was videoing me.
Oh, what? How did I never know this was here?
Actual Jackson Road movie with an overly funny big screen on it.
No FX dog shit. Mr. KC? All right, dude.
Glad to see you're making videos, that's for sure.
Man, it's always good coming up to Dubuque. I can't even begin to tell you how many people I've met at this place. Like, that I've met through the channel. It's nice, man. It's nice. Talked to KC a little bit. Good dude, man. He's in the Marines. Thank you for your service, KC. Hammy, Moto, and BakerXderek, man. Two of my faves. Good to be out riding with these guys. Derek was probably the first motovlog I've ever seen. It was him, Baron Von Grumble, and Vegas Spiker. Those three, man, that was it. Escalated from there. All right, we got a bunch of food, man. I personally bought a California burrito and a double bacon cheeseburger. Out of the two, I'll go with the cheeseburger. Would not come back for the California burrito. No way. Probably wouldn't come back for the burger either. I really wanted to like this place.
It's about as basic as it gets.
Yeah, it's pretty basic. I mean, it wasn't bad, but it wasn't drive far away from home to get.
Oh, fuck no.
The shit on my plate, $23. I mean, they're pretty big. The burrito was big.
It was $6.
You got a single, and it was $6. I feel like that's about average price. Did you like it?
Yeah. It's like a basic hamburger. I mean, that's
Yeah. Nothing special. Well, you tried everything. You had a quesadilla. What'd you think, man?
It's whatever.
Yeah.
It was really whatever. I don't know.
I tried your quesadilla, and it tasted kind of like the burrito. I don't know. Probably wouldn't come back.
No.
But if somebody wanted to come here real bad and I was with them,
Come here, real quick.
I'd come.
Why? Does it have a good reputation or something? Is it known to blow people away?
Yeah, that's always pretty busy.
Maybe these people have bad taste. We just like better food.
We like better food.
We're better people.
All right. Well, fuck. That's the end of this one. Angelos, man, I really, really wanted to like this place like more than I did. I mean, I did not hate it, but you know, man. Look at that guy! Yeah! Woo! Come on! All right, fun day as usual. If you haven't yet, go on over to BakerXderek's. Check out what he's got to offer. Link in the description of the video, as well as Hammy Moto, which I don't know if he can be Moto anymore. Maybe he's like Hammy e-bike. Something like that. Much love to all you guys that stuck with me for all these years. For the duration of this video. Until next time, man. I'll catch you later.